In 2026, millions of people on ACA plans will qualify for a health savings account for the very first time. And with premiums expected to spike once enhanced subsidies expire, this could be your biggest chance to save thousands. Most people think an HSA is just a savings account, but it's actually one of the most powerful tax tools in the entire system. And because of a new rule change, way more people will finally get access to it. I'm Sebastian. I work with people on their health insurance every day. And in this video, I'll break down exactly what's changing, why HSAs could explode in 2026, and how you can use them to save big. So here's the situation. Right now, the enhanced subsidies from the American Rescue Plan and the Inflation Reduction Act have made health insurance much more affordable for the past few years. But those enhanced subsidies are set to expire at the end of 2025, which means that in 2026, premiums are going to spike for millions of Americans. I mean, we're talking increases of 50%, 75%, and even more in some cases. And when that happens, a lot of people are going to downgrade from, silver, gold, and platinum plans to bronze plans just to keep their monthly premiums affordable. Now, that does come with a problem. Bronze plans have higher deductibles, higher out-of-pocket costs. It's kind of like buying a smaller umbrella, right? It might cost less, but when the storm hits, you're not as protected. So here's where things change. Historically, most bronze and catastrophic plans on the ACA Marketplace were not considered high deductible health plans, or HDHPs, and that meant that you couldn't pair them with an HSA. But that all changes January 1st, 2026. Starting then, every single bronze and catastrophic plan sold on the ACA Marketplace nationwide will automatically qualify as a high deductible health plan, making them HSA eligible. So suddenly, millions of Americans who never had access to HSA benefits before will now qualify. So why is this such a big deal? Because HSAs have what's called a triple tax advantage. I mean, first off, your contributions are tax deductible. I mean, that's like getting a coupon on your taxes. Number two, withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. I mean, think tax-free shopping for healthcare. And number three, your money grows tax-free if you invest it. Basically, it's like a 401k for your healthcare. And here are the 2026 HSA contribution limits. For an individual, it's $4,400. For a family, it's $8,750. And if you're 55 or older, you can add $1,000 to that. But here is where things get really interesting. Contributions to your HSA also lower your modified adjusted gross income, or your MAGI. And why does that matter? Because your ACA subsidies are based on your MAGI. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, and on to the next note. In 2026, the income cliff is coming back. And that means if your income is above 400% of the federal poverty level, you get zero subsidies. Nothing. And here's where things get scary. If you're getting subsidies and your income goes even $1 over that line, you will have to pay back the entire amount of tax credits that you receive. Not just a portion, but the whole thing. And that is why using an HSA is such a powerful hack. For example, let's just say that you're $1,000 over the cutoff and you put $1,000 into your HSA, instantly your income drops under the line and you now qualify for subsidies again. I mean, that move could save you $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 in premium subsidies and protect you from a nasty surprise at tax time. And HSAs aren't just for doctor visits. You can use HSA money for a huge list of qualified medical expenses, like prescriptions, ER visits, hospitalization, dental work, eyeglasses, and even some over-the-counter items. Or if you actually don't need to use the HSA money, you can actually invest it and let it grow tax-free for the future, even to cover your Medicare premiums later in life. And yes, your contributions roll over every year. So whether you're young and healthy or getting closer to retirement, HSAs give you the flexibility no other account can. So here's the bottom line. With enhanced subsidies going away and premium skyrocketing, more people will move to bronze plans in 2026, And for the first time ever, every bronze and catastrophic plan will qualify for an HSA. And that's why HSAs could absolutely explode in popularity and why it's so important to start planning now. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss other critical updates coming to the ACA Marketplace. And in this video, I go more into depth about why the ACA premiums are going up in 2026, so make sure to watch it.